Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, even though I missed Walgreens. I've not been doing well. I was really sick, and then Sunday I just could not get out of bed. I slept some more, and I slept some more. I got up, took care of my pets, and then literally went back to sleep. So I don't know. Plus, like, I've had severe allergies all week. And if you haven't heard, there is the wildfire air coming down through Wisconsin where I live, so that's gonna be super fun because I already am allergic to everything. So yeah. So if you live in the upper northern part of the US, just be careful going outside after, like, I think I read it's 3 p.m. Wednesday where I live to about 3 p.m. Thursday. And I'm scheduled to work outside on my house tomorrow with my aunt. And believe it or not, my aunt is being ridiculous and is like, well, we're going to do it my way. And it's just like, it's not your house. Like, I want to do things a certain way to get them done because I need to get them done. And it doesn't matter. Like, it's my house. I want to do it my way. And she's like, we're going to do it my way. Or it's not done right. Basically. Ugh, so annoying. Anyway, now that I'm done babbling, let's head inside the Meijer. There's quite a few good deals that we're going to mention. We're grabbing 3 freebies, so let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. You guys, you want to check your kids' medicine area? We have a hot clearance. This Mommy Bliss brand, $2.78 was like $9.30, or we have this one, Pain Fever, $2.69. Otherwise, there's a couple others, Advil, Robitussin, some Dayquil, NyQuil kind of packs, super cheap. Might want to stock up if the expiration dates are good. You can grab one of these newer Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Facial Cleanser, $5.69 for this one. We have a $2 digital coupon, making it $3.69. Grab one of these Pure Silk shaving creams. Any of the scents will do. They are on sale for $2.29. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them $1.29. Alright guys, I came over here to tell you about the 2 deals, and then I totally didn't see this in the ad. I may have missed it, but we have spend or buy $75 worth of diapers or training pants. We get a $20 Catalina printed at checkout, but you can also stack that with, we have a spend, what is it? There's one for Pampers. I didn't write it down. I think it's spend 75, get 15 off, 20 off. No, I did write it down. Spend 75, get $15 off. And that ends at the very end of Meijer cycle week, so 7/21. Or if you prefer and there's digital coupons. And if you prefer Huggies, we have spend 100, get $30 off, plus you can stack that with the buy $75 worth. So I don't know if there's Huggies coupons. I didn't really look. Like I said, I may have missed it in the ad when I was looking, but those are good stackable offers. And if you have digital coupons for the Huggies, that make it even better. We have a super amazing deal on these yummy organic smoothie on the go pouches. These are the kids pouches. They are 2 for $5 on sale, so you'll grab 2 of them. I'm not 100% sure. I think you have to grab the protein ones. I didn't look at that closely. I didn't realize there was probiotic ones or like immunity ones. So to be safe, I'm just going to recommend grabbing the protein ones. But you're going to grab 2 of them for the $5. You'll pay that at the register. You'll submit to Fetch, where we have 2 different offers stacking together. So we have a spend of $5, get 1,500 Fetch points. Plus, we have a different offer for 1,000 Fetch points per pouch. So we'll get about $2 from that one. So we'll make both pouches together about $1.50 or 75 cents a pouch. I think that's a really good price. So the first freebie is going to be this Just Fresh, Just Food for Dogs. They are $7.99, or you can grab the $6.99 ones. But we have a aisle offer to make one completely free. So I'm going to grab one. We have a super hot deal on Blue Buffalo Love Made Fresh Stew. Now, my older dog didn't care for this that much, but my puppy will eat it. So they are $9.39 for the small breed ones, or you can grab the large tub ones for adult dogs. I mean, they're both for adult dogs. I feel like that's a larger breed dog. But anyway, $13.49, $9.39. But we have an offer on fetch for 1,000 fetch points per dollar spent, so we'll roughly get that amount back. Plus, we have $2 back on ibotta, making it a $2 moneymaker. This week, we have an amazing promotion for spend $50 on participating brands. So, all of these brands, you'll get $15 off, and some of these have buy one, get one, like 30% offers. So, I know that's like the Lysol, some of the Mucinex and Dysum, or Delsum does. We have a great deal on the Bona sprays. If it's a brand you use, you can grab any. I think all of these sprays work for this promotion. Make sure you scan them in the app. But they're $8.99, and we have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them both $8.99. So the PG spend 40 get $10 off does, and at the end of this week, like the Meijer week, so 7/21. So here's how I'm gonna do this deal. I'm gonna grab two of the Swiffer products that are $14.99 each. Next, I'm gonna come grab one of the Tide Pods that's on sale for $12.99. So for this example, grabbing the two Swiffer and the Tide, my total will be $42.97. We have a $5 digital coupon for the Tide and a $10 digital coupon for the Swiffer. I'll be left to pay, after the $10 PG offer comes off, just $17.97 for all three products. Our next freebie is going to be on the Shine Water. So they are $2.29. We have a reimbursement from Isles, so we'll get that back, making one of these completely free. We have an okay deal on the Stouffer's frozen meals. They're buy four, get one free. And if you grab the fried chicken one for $3.99, there is a $1.50 digital coupon that works on it, so you can save a little extra money. Otherwise, if you like the lean cuisine, there's two different new ones. There's a Korean barbecue chicken, or there is the Indian style butter chicken. They're $3.79, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon for each one, making them $2.29. Or if you grab two more, a total of four, you'll get $2 off instantly. Grab these El Monterey burritos. They are 79 cents. You'll grab two of them. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them two of them for 79 cents. Or if you prefer the Reds brand of burritos, they're on sale for $9. We do have a $1 digital coupon, making them four for $8. The Meijer brand drumsticks, 99 cents a pound. I feel like that's really good savings. Oscar Mayer hot dogs are buy one get one for $1. So these ones, for example, are $3.39. Grabbing two will be just $4.39. The Smithfield brand of bacon, buy one get one free. They're $6.99, so you can grab two packs for $6.99. No digital coupons needed. If you need Lunchables, this is an easy deal, so you can grab the ones with the Capri Sun in there. They're on sale two for $5. We do have a $1 digital coupon, making them two for $4. All right, I'm back in from checkout, and checkout went completely fine. So I grabbed the two frozen burritos. You can see 79 cents came off for the free one. Then I grabbed the Shine Water, the dog food, the Tide, and the $5 coupon came off for the Tide. And then the two Swiffer products, and then we have $5 off of each one. And then the $10 for spending 40 for PG came off. So my subtotal was about $38. I didn't do the math. So I will be getting, I submitted to ibotta for $2 back for the Blue Buffalo wet food. Then I submitted to Fetch Rewards for the Blue Buffalo wet food. So I did get the $7.99 back for that. Then I submitted to Isle for the Shine Water, so I got $2.29 back for that. Plus, I submitted, now this is where I messed up. So I submitted to Isle for the the just fresh dog food. So it didn't pick it up at first, and it underlined that it has to be 18 ounces. While reading the offer, it seemed like only the frozen one had to be 18 ounces, not any one. But then, so I submitted, I didn't read that part. I was like, it just said, oh, can't find it on your receipt or whatever. So I submitted my receipt with a picture of the wet food, and then I was reading more after that, and I'm like, oh, well, I don't know if it's going to take it or not. But then it did, and it's like, you're going to get 79 cents back. And I think it got confused because it's like AI generated, but it's for the 79 cent burrito instead of the $7.99. So I was like, I was like, help, it's $7.99 for the food. So we'll see what goes through. Putting in a ticket for aisle is hard, but you just need to spam the text messaging. But otherwise, I didn't even do the math. Jeez. So I already cleared it too. Dang it. I'm just a hot mess today. Well, anyway, I'll just pop it up on the screen what my final cash cost was. How about that? Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.